eat sushi, or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh.
Welcome to day 3 of our BAF series. So today it's a very interesting place that we are going. It's basically Lake Louise and Lake Moraine, one of the highlights of this trip. For that, you have to first come to ski resort and take a shuttle bus. So this is our shuttle bus to Lake Louise. So already inside the shuttle and now heading towards Lake Louise. We have reached Lake Louise. So this is the place where bus will drop you, and now you can also find washrooms here. So there is also a bear alert. Now we are on our way to Lake Louise. Wow, this is so beautiful. Now the plan is to do a little canoeing.
You think you will be able to do?
Yeah, I will be able to. देखो छोटा बच्चा अकेले कर रहा है.
अच्छा वो लोग एक्सपीरियंस्ड होंगे यार.
सही करेंगे आराम आराम से. लाइफ जैकेट्स है, स्लो करेंगे. So you have to fill in this form. Adults need to sign, and if there's a child below 18. How's it going?
Nice, sweet. Yeah.
This is such a lovely experience.
Yeah.
Must do.
हम दोनों को साथ साथ उसकी मैं ज़्यादा तेज करना था.
और मैं बहुत स्लो कर रही थी. हम दोनों.
मैं खुद ही पूरा ठीक है. थोड़ा उसको वैसे कर लो रिचा. स्लैंट. हाँ.
Papa, say hi.
Hello. Sweet.
Ah, it's windy. It is so windy. Amma, are you enjoying?
I'm having fun.
Woohoo!
So now we are heading to this Fairmount Hotel. This is one of the oldest hotel here, and a lot of celebrities stay here when they come to Canada and when they visit Lake Louise. This is open for public. You can have coffee as well here. So we are heading towards that. So here we are at the coffee shop. Welcome to the guide's pantry over grab and go experience. There is a sugar station and cream station right here outside the cafe. And here's my chai latte. Americano and iced chai latte. Now we are heading to Lake Moraine. You can take the shuttle from Lake Louise to Lake Moraine because Lake Moraine does not have, they don't allow cars. So you have to take the shuttle only. I guess it's again half an hour drive from here. So we are boarding our shuttle to Lake Moraine. So we have the shuttle every half an hour. The last shuttle from Lake Moraine is 7:30. So we'll have to wind up before 7:30, and it might get really crowded during the peak time. So you have to be very mindful of the time. So here we are at Lake Moraine. Another thing, when you're taking shuttle bus from Lake Louise to Lake Moraine, please ensure that you're taking the connector bus, because we took the wrong bus and went back to the ski resort. But fortunately, there was another bus which was coming to Lake Moraine. We boarded that one, and now we are here at Lake Moraine. But it definitely wasted half an hour. We're going to spend couple of minutes maybe here. You can do a lot of trek activities as well, but we are with our parents, so we are not doing that. We are giving it a miss this time. But yes, if you want, you can do that. There's also a resort I see and a cafe. Maybe if you want to take a quick bite, you can do that. But there is no internet coverage. So we're gonna spend some time here and then I'll see you later. The plan is कि mom dad वहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं. We got a bench for them, and now we are heading towards lake shore of Lake Moraine. It's around 1.3 kilometers from the place where you enter, and we decided that we're going to take a walk till there.
Yeah, do not swim.
Try not to swim. Have a good one. It's advisable to go in groups here because you might encounter any wildlife here. So always carry a bear spray and travel in group. The lake here is freezing cold. So if you are okay with that, then only try and swim. The view is definitely getting better every minute.
Yay.
देख रहे हैं फोटो This is the next one?
Yeah, the
Oh.
Lakeshore Trail. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
It takes you all the way. You can go as far as those rapids. Goes
oh.
all the way up there.
Okay, the 1.2 kilometers is here or there?
Any idea? Okay, I think that we can also see ice. Yes, that's ice. And this trail here will take you right up to the rapids. And that's where the water comes from. Right from the glacier. See. Isn't it the color of the ice a little blue?
That is
Isn't it the color of the ice a little blue?
Sorry.
I'm not sure, but I am somehow finding it a little blue. Probably clear from the naked eye. Yeah. But this is definitely what the hike is. So now we are taking the bus shuttle to Lake Louis Ski Resort. This is our shuttle. Don't take the connector one. Vivek कहाँ है?
बैठे हुए हैं पीछे
We are back at the ski resort. Now we'll take our car and go back to maybe do some shopping, buy some souvenirs. So we are back in Canmore town and almost dinner ka time ho chuka hai. So we decided to have our dinner early and then crash because tomorrow again we have a long day and we are going again to a very beautiful and interesting place. So if you like this video so far, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And until we meet next time, bye.